In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proper date table in Power BI. Understanding how to set up an effective date table is crucial for performing time intelligence tasks like running totals and year-over-year analysis. This is essential to ensure your time-based calculations are accurate and efficient. Let's dive into what a good date table should include and the methods to create one, using Power Query or the auto-date feature. First, let's talk about what makes a well-functioning date table according to Microsoft's guidance. Essentially, your date table must have a column dedicated to date or date time values. These values need to be unique, meaning no duplicates, and importantly, there shouldn't be any gaps. Every date in your desired range should be present, with no blanks or nulls. The table should also cover a continuous range of dates where the dates seamlessly progress without any missing periods. Ideally, this means your date table should span complete years, or at least the timeframes you anticipate needing for your reports. Once your date table is set up, you'll want to mark this table as the date table in Power BI to ensure all time intelligence functions operate correctly. Now, if you prefer using Power Query to create your date table, here's how you can do it. Start by opening Power Query Editor in Power BI by selecting Transform Data. Once there, create a new blank query. We'll use functions like list dates or list. Generate to create our list of dates, converting these into a table and then adding additional columns for year, month, and so on. Here's a simple script to get you started. Firstly, define your start and end dates. In this example, let's say from January 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2030. Calculate the number of days between these dates and use list dates to generate the list of all dates in this range. Convert this list into a table and change its type to date, then add columns to represent the year, month, month name, and quarter for each date. Once your transformations are complete, click Close and Apply to load this date table into Power BI. Don't forget, as mentioned earlier, to mark this newly created table as your date table and set up any necessary relationships with your model. Alternatively, there's the Auto Date Time feature built into Power BI, which automatically generates hidden date tables for every date column in your model. This can be really handy for quick setups, but keep in mind, it doesn't offer the same flexibility as creating a dedicated date table. It might generate multiple hidden tables, which could become overwhelming if not managed properly. If you decide to create your date table manually, many experts recommend disabling the Auto Date Time feature to avoid any potential confusion. With these methods, you're on your way to mastering date tables in Power BI, enhancing your model's efficiency and improving your time-based analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy data modeling!